This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
The fuel pump switch, sometimes called the inertia switch, which shuts off fuel to the engine in the event of a collision, affords a simple and convenient means by which the fuel pressure can be relieved before servicing the fuel injection components. The switch is located in the luggage compartment and is usually covered by the carpet, which comes up the sides of the trunk. Unscrew the carpet retaining screw by hand. Then pull the carpet aside to gain access to the fuel pump switch. Unplug the fuel pump switch electrical connector. Start the engine and allow it to run until it stops. This should take only a few seconds. Disconnect the negative battery cable before proceeding. Loosen the battery cable clamp bolt. Then disconnect the cable from the negative battery post. Secure the terminal aside to prevent accidental reconnection during the procedure. Slowly remove the gas cap to relieve any pressure remaining in the fuel tank. Then reinstall the cap. The fuel system pressure is now relieved. The fuel filter is mounted under the vehicle in front of the gas tank. Inspect the hose fittings at both ends of the filter to see if they're clean. If more than a light coating of dust is present, clean the fittings before proceeding. Detach the hairpin clips from each side of the filter connections. Use caution to avoid damaging the fuel line fittings. Using a fuel line disconnection tool of the proper size, disconnect the inlet and outlet fuel lines from the filter. Slide the sleeve on the end of the tool inside the fuel fitting. Then gently pry and slide the fitting off the filter stub. After the hoses have been disconnected, check them for damage and distortion. If they were damaged in any way during removal, new ones must be used when the hoses are reattached to the new filter. Also, if new clips are packaged with the filter, be sure to use them in place of the original ones. Loosen the filter mounting clamp while noting the direction of the fuel filter is installed. Remove the filter from the bracket. Install a new fuel filter in the same direction, then tighten the filter mounting clamp securely. Carefully push each hose onto the filter until they're seated against the collar of the fitting, then securely install the hairpin clips. Warning: make sure the clips are securely attached to the hose fittings. If they come off, the hoses could back off the filter and a fire could result. After the procedure is complete and all fuel system connections are secure, plug the electrical connector back into the fuel pump switch. Connect the cable to the negative battery post and tighten the clamp bolt securely. If the fuel pump switch was deactivated during this procedure, push the reset button on the top of the switch to energize the fuel pump. Fold back the carpeting and install the retaining screws securely by hand. Start the engine and check for fuel leaks.